Why is it the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life?
Twinsies! You have bear ears and everything!
I do?
Oh, I do!
Wow, English class?
No, that is sticky. Respect.
Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls.
And welcome back to another episode of Dorm Makeovers. We are here at the Humber Residences today, and I'm so excited to do this room.
Today we're doing Anne's room. She is a first-year hospitality student, and she's actually an international student from Taiwan.
We already met with her and chatted a little bit about what she might want, and the biggest thing she said is she wants this place to feel so cozy and bright and comfortable because it really is her home away from home.
All right, I think it's time to kick Anne out so we can get started.
Have everything you need for class?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, we will see you at the end of the day with a new room.
Bye!
She backs out slowly.
She's not sure. Okay, I'm sure this is going to be really fun. So
I'm so excited about this one.
Let's talk a little bit more about themes. So we want to keep it natural, light, bring in some bright pastels for color, and I'm actually really inspired by a DIY that we did a while ago. It's so fun. I think it's really going to bring this whole theme together. So, because I love it so much, I'm just going to jump into showing you what that is right now. Okay, who remembers this dollar store DIY? This is still my favorite thing, and that's why it's been sitting in our office for so long, because I can't get rid of it. But I can only get rid of it if I know it's going to a good home, so I absolutely want to use it in a dorm this year. So I think this space is perfect for it. I love the natural materials that it's made of. So we're gonna put it on the wall back here to kind of act as a headboard, as if her bed was almost more of like a day bed.
Hey Bear, does this look centered on the wall?
Okay, this looks so cute. I am loving the vibe it's making already, but to finish up this wall, we want to do a gallery wall to bring in some more of those colors that we want to add around the room. So for the gallery wall, we're just watercoloring in a bunch of light pastel colors to really bring some brightness to the room. And one of the pieces of art that we're putting up on her wall is actually so special. This is a watercolor print that we got off of Etsy, and it's in the shape of Taiwan. And to make it even more special, we used a gold pen to draw the exact location of her city with a little gold heart. I think this is the perfect way to bring her home here with her while she's in her room studying for school. And another awesome hack for putting up art in your dorm rooms is if you're using picture frames, take out the glass. It makes them so much lighter. Plus, I also really like being able to see the texture of the photos that we have in these frames. I am loving this. It's bringing all the color into this room that I love. So now, while I'm already here, I'm gonna move on to the rest of the bedding. When we saw Anne's bedding, I actually really like it. The pink is super nice and super soft. I'm not gonna change that out because I love it. But what we are gonna do is just add a couple more pillows that mimic the color in the art to bring even more life to this room.
All right, now that Becky has tackled the bedside of the room, which is looking great, I have a lot of thrifted finds here that are gonna help us organize this side of the room. Now, Anne doesn't have that much stuff, but I still think that some baskets and some simple organization tools will help make this whole space look a little bit more aesthetic to the eye. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use these thrifted baskets, which I can't believe we found 3 of these, as well as some gorgeous little trays and such to organize some of her belongings over here. And then next up, we have a mirror for this space because, partly because we already had this at the office because we picked it up when it was on sale, and partly because it's gonna make the space feel bigger, and that just looks amazing. I am really into this. I think also with this light here, it like enhances. I think this is a really good way to hold yourself accountable for studying because you have like a All right, so now that we have our mirror up, we have some blank space, which we love to fill blank spaces with DIY art. So these were actually picked up from the thrift store. They are just some really cute like basket tray decor, but we're just gonna use some sticky hooks to add them to the wall. We also picked up some cork that we are also going to cut out into circles to hang amongst our wicker trays and bowls to make a whole little circle wall art here. You guys may remember this DIY when I hacked a craft kit. I really love how it turned out, and I think that this is gonna look really good in Anne's room, so I'm just gonna put it in this corner over here.
So the last kind of final area we want to address is this corner. So there's this rail that already came as a part of the room, which I assume is meant to hang towels on, and she's using it for that, which it seems like it's working, but whenever there's an opportunity to make something more stylish or fit more with a theme, we're here for it. So a DIY that we whipped up for this room was a drying rack ladder. This is so on theme. I love the raw natural wood of it, and we even found these little hangers at the thrift store that are so cute on it to hang clothes on. So we made this by starting with 4 dowels that were all the same size and 2 longer pieces of 1x3 wood. We marked out evenly on the 1x3s where our dowels wanted to go and make sure that they were at the same spots for both sides of the wood. Then using a drill bit that is the exact size of your wooden dowels, drill holes through all of the spots that you marked out. Once the drilling is done, sand down everything, your pieces of wood and your dowels, and then as a final step, all we did was add a little bit of wood glue into the hole and then slid the dowels through on both sides. Because we used a drill bit that was quite close to the size of the dowels, they should fit in there nice and tightly and feel very secure. Although PS, this is not an actual ladder, do not attempt to climb it, not safe at all.
This bed looks amazing.
The bear thinks so as well, he's loving it, but he's saying, one thing is missing.
Final touch time. I feel like I need to explain that. Like, if you don't know what final touch time is.
It's true. It's when we put the little final touches. There's no other way to say it.
Wow, English class, you're never supposed to use the words in the word that you're defining the word, you know?
It's when we put the last little sparkle in a room, you know?
Yeah, those things that like aren't really so much practical, but you need them. You still need them.
And then we sing it to the tune of Final Countdown.
Oh.
You didn't know, now you know.
Now you know.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. All right, I think we're done.
It looks really good and cozy, I think.
100% with Coz, but we gotta get the approval of one more person.
Barry?
Anne.
Anne, okay.
Should we bring her in?
Yeah. Okay, Anne, can you close your eyes? Okay, I'm gonna bring you in. Keep your eyes closed. You feel something underneath your feet?
Yeah.
Okay, you can open up your eyes into your dorm room.
Whoa. Do you like it? Yeah. We gave you a whole bunch of pillows so you could be nice and cozy, and we built you a headboard, which I love the vibe. Yes, your little bear was our favorite friend all day. We made some art for you, and our favorite art is our map that we did for you. So sweet.
We know that you had some of your towels hanging over there on the rail, but I mean, something that's a little bit more stylish is a DIY ladder. So we made you a ladder that you can hang things on, you can hang clothes on it. Don't climb it, but it's a very cute decor piece.
Great for drying clothes, I think. You're welcome. And then you didn't have a mirror, so we thought a big mirror would be so helpful for you. We gave you some baskets for storage, maybe put some of your stuff up there. And I love this rug, it's so soft, right?
Yeah, I love it.
Amazing.
I think that's it for us.
You like it?
Yeah.
2 thumbs up?
2 thumbs up.
I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, I know you said that you had a long day, so we will let you get settled into your new dorm room. Enjoy it! Thank you guys so much for watching today's dorm room makeover. Make sure that you are subscribed because we definitely have more dorm room makeovers still to come.
And we have an entire playlist of past dorm makeovers if this one wasn't enough inspo for you. So check it out, linked in the cards.